Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So, huge update for you guys today. I know, I was gonna say I haven't been posting a lot, but actually I've been posting every day. I don't know. I love making content for you guys, so I just feel like I should be posting like 3 videos a day because I love getting you guys involved in what I'm doing. That's like the whole point of my channel, right? Is to make, follow the process of me becoming successful and take you along with me. But anyway, quick announcement. Okay, so Savage Sellers course went live March 5th. You guys know that almost 20 days ago now. Everyone's loving it, so that's awesome. Really excited that everyone is liking the course. Everyone's getting a lot of valuable information off it. But what I had to do was I had to take my merch down, right? The Savage Sellers merch, the mugs, the hat. I'm decked out in it, so you could imagine what I'm gonna say next. But yeah, I moved it to my personal website where the merch was, and I had to take all that down because of the software, blah, 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 blah. Long story short, the course is now on its own website and the merch is back up, so you can get that down below. There's a link, it says merch, and it's pauljsavage.com. You can pick up a mug. The mugs are $16.99, the shirts are $23.99, hats are $23.99. I don't really make a lot off of that. Between the shipping cost and having to fulfill the orders through a print-on-demand company, it's like less than a 30% profit that goes to me. So it's really just cool that you guys are wearing my merch. Big Savage community and drinking out of these mugs. I have this one, and then I have one with this design on it as well. Okay, so the merch is up. You could get merch again down below. Anyway, here's the bigger announcement that a lot of you have been hearing me talk about, but I haven't officially told you guys what's going on. So, I've been saying I've been wanting to move to Seattle, Washington for a while. The whole vibe out there really spoke to me and my girlfriend, Lindsay. By the way, any of my viewers are into clean beauty and skincare, Lindsay, my girlfriend, has her own YouTube channel, just about as big as mine, but totally different audience for skincare. Cruelty-free skincare. Really cool channel. I'll link that in the description below. I know you guys always hear me talk about my girlfriend, but don't really know what she does. She's an entrepreneur like me, but she does, follows her own passion. So anyway, we just signed a lease in Seattle, Washington, you guys. So exciting. My first apartment, actually. I've been living with my mother since I was, born. And I've had the ability to move out for quite some time, but wanted to make it right. Didn't want to just stay in my hometown where I've been my whole life, kind of like what everyone does. And it's, it's a bittersweet thing to do. It's really exciting. I'm gonna be missed. I'm gonna miss my family, but it's an adventure, right? And I'm so excited. Hopefully you guys let me know what you think down in the comments and throw me some support. Really fun. Anyway, yeah, check it out. We have literally been packing boxes, so making content the past couple of days has been kind of crazy. Something weird is going on with my ear right now. You ever feel like, when you go on a plane and your ear is like popping? That was happening to my ear while I was talking, so that was why my eyes were getting all watery and stuff. I could like feel air going in my ear. Anyway, big update for you guys. So that was it. I'm moving. April's gonna be a weird month. I'm also going on vacation soon. I've been super busy. Me and Lindsay decided to just kind of like go to the islands for a couple days. We're gonna be flying down to the US Virgin Islands, literally just for 3 days. Kind of catching our breath, taken away from a break from the electronics. So I'll probably pre-film some stuff for you guys so I could upload and have it scheduled to upload while I'm gone. But yeah, April is gonna be a crazy month. I'm moving across the country. I'm on the East Coast, I'm going to the West Coast. Making content for you guys. The merch is live again. The course is out. What an exciting year, you guys. I'm so excited that I've been able to. Here, let me bloop. A little higher like that. Better lighting. Okay, my arm was killing me. I'm using a gimbal, but yeah, we had a really, really great year so far. We just hit 5,000 subscribers today. Thank you guys if you're still watching, 4.5 minutes into this video of me just talking. Love everyone that supports me a whole bunch. New update for you guys. We're trying to grow a handlebar mustache. It's going pretty good so far. Getting a little bit of twisting at the end. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. I just started growing a mustache. Girlfriend said she liked it, and I was like, Started watching Queer Eye on Netflix, and Jonathan has a huge mustache, so I was like, let me try that out. I can't grow a full beard for some reason. I mean, I'm only 20 years old, and this part just doesn't come in that good, but the mustache is coming in pretty good. We're a couple weeks in here, and yeah, we're doing good. So this is a weird update video for you guys, huh? Anyway, yeah, I'm super excited. Don't have a ton of people wearing the Savage merch, so if you want to go pick something up, really cool. I would love for you to pick something up and then post a picture of yourself wearing it in the Facebook page down below. If you're not in the Facebook page yet, we have a Facebook page that's completely free. Just request access. I go in every day and invite everybody. It's not so much a place to get in touch with me because there's 1,500 people in there. So for me to be able to answer all that and do, talk to my current students and do all the content I do would be insane. Occasionally I'll pop in, answer them some questions, but really it's a great place for you to, I see the posts. Great place for you to get in touch with other sellers that are the same stage as you. It's really a beginner level space for everyone to just kind of talk about Amazon FBA. So yeah, this was just a quick update. It's Sunday. I don't really plan on putting any video content out today as far as like going into the computer and doing a tutorial. Usually on the weekends I like to vlog more. Yesterday I ended up doing a non-vlog style video. It was more like a tutorial product research. I just found that go watch yesterday's videos about a new product research method I started using. But anyway, yeah, that's it, guys. Hopefully you're all having a great week, and we're going into a new week now, so I'll see you tomorrow, and have a great weekend.